Hello, this is Benjamin Beckley of PowerCast Host, one of the arms of Vision Power International. And I'm going to be your instructor for this section. I want to appreciate you for choosing PowerCast Host as your internet radio supplier. We appreciate you. Thank you so much. By now, you surely should have received your login details. Please check your email and make sure that you have a login details, because this section I'm going to be showing you how you will be operating your radio. This time we're going to be looking at how you set up your auto DJ. The auto DJ is what makes the radio to play consistently when you are not live on here. So it plays your recorded content, and in this tutorial section we're going to be going through how you set it up, how do you schedule it to play at the time you want it to play, and also how do you operate the control panel. Alright, so by now you have the email. In the email you should see a link like this: www.bit.ly/PowerCast101, or you see where they type in login URL. Once you click on this in your email, it's going to take you to a platform or the control panel login place, where you'll be able to put in your username and the password that was sent to your email from PowerCast Host. So let's go online and be able to access it. So when you click on that link, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this, that shows something like this. Centova Cast is the control panel platform that we are using to operate our internet radio platform. So this is where you log in to your control panel to be able to operate your radio. You put in the username that you have received. Now for this particular radio I'm using for this tutorial, the username is testing radio, but your username is different. So you get your username from the email that was sent to you, and also you put in the password that was sent to you as well. So once you put in the password, you should be able to log in. You click on login. Okay, I think I missed something there. Let's see. Oh, something is wrong with the username. So make sure you have the right username and password, so it will allow you go in. All right, so I've just put in the username and I put in the password. By default, whenever you log into your radio platform, this is where you will see. This is the first place you should see, and I'm going to take my time to show you what this represents. Now, whenever we set up radio, to make sure that the radio is working and active, we would have already uploaded one or two contents on it, and that is what you are seeing here, showing that this is what is currently playing. You see now playing. So this is one of the content we have uploaded onto the radio the moment it was set up. Now this platform or this place is what we call the account overview, where you'll be able to view what has played or what is currently playing. If it's something that has played before, it will show you when it played. You see, it just did now. It showed us the time it played and then what is currently playing. Now it has only one content, so it's going to be repeating itself. And so that is what you see here. It's going to be showing you a list of what has played or what is currently playing. Now on this side, it's going to show you the current listener. This account is set up to be able to accommodate 100 listeners simultaneously. That means at the same time. So you will be able to see the number of people that is listening currently, real time. This is showing the volume of data that is being transferred. This is also showing the volume of disk that has been used. That is talking about the hard drive or the storage capacity. Here the same thing is going to show you the title of whatever is playing. Now this 3 is very important. Once these 3 things are checked, that means the radio is active and working. The first one here is talking about the fact that the server is on and is operating. This second one is showing that the auto DJ is active. The auto DJ is what makes the radio to play 247. The word auto DJ is automatic DJ. So it's selecting the content based on what you have uploaded. And then this is the audio source that is also showing that there is an audio broadcast currently active and going on the radio. So if these 3 icons are not checked green, that means the radio is not releasing content, or the only reason why at least 2 of them will be checked, which is this first one and the second and the last one, and this one is red, will be when you are on here live, when you are doing a live broadcast. That's the only reason why this auto DJ. So when you are doing a live broadcast, depending on the software you're using, it's going to show it's red. So that means the automatic DJ has been stopped so that your live broadcast can go on. But when we set up accounts, most of the accounts we set up rides on what we call icecast. So when you use the one we set up using icecast, you don't need to stop the auto DJ before you can go on live. It works alternatively. So the moment you go on live, the auto DJ will automatically be suspended, and the moment you stop your live broadcast, the auto DJ will kick in from there. So that is the kind of account we open for people right now. So that is called icecast. Okay, on this side of the page, number 1 is the general. The general is going to show you an overview of all these, an overview of whatever your account is all about. The same thing that I've shown you what is playing. Then the quick link is more or less like a shortcut to certain information. Now most of these you don't need them, so I will also advise you that you don't really trouble yourself much about it. It's just giving you the details of the radio. Is icecast, the server host name, the server point, and then the bit rate. So you really don't need anything much here. Then under the configuration, I want to encourage you, don't change anything under this configuration, because if you change something under the configuration, it's going to likely affect your radio from operating. So you really don't have anything to do under the configuration. The moment the radio was set up, everything has already been configured for you. Okay, under the DJs, it gives you room to be able to set up a sub account. In other words, if you want somebody else to be able to maybe assist with your radio and you don't want to give them your direct username and password, you can create a DJ account for them. So that will give them opportunity to assist with the auto DJ. That is and what does that mean? They'll be able to upload content. They'll be able to schedule it as well. Okay. Under the statistics will show you the full details of what has played on the radio, how many people have listened to it, where did they listen from, and then you can also choose by the numbers of days you want to watch. If you want to look like for the past 7 days, who has listened. This is a brand new account, so nobody has listened to it. What time, you can see the listeners, how many people have listened, what the user agent talks about, what device did they use to listen to it. The country will show the countries of the world where they have listened from. It will show you the top 10. You can also scroll to select the numbers you want to select. Under the server, additionally, you really don't have anything to do under the server. However, sometimes, which does not necessarily happen because the server is always on, 99.9%, the server doesn't go off. But if for any reason the server goes off, or that's the only time you can start it. If you click on stop, the server is going to stop, and once the server stops, the radio is not going to play. So I advise also that don't touch the server. Now, basically, where you have to work is the auto DJ. The auto DJ is the main brain that this control panel is meant to coordinate, because the auto DJ is where you upload your content, and by content I mean what do you want the radio to be playing. And now the auto DJ deals with recorded content, what you have already recorded. Now I will stop this video, this tutorial here, just for to continue in the next one. And the next one, I'm going to show you in details how you upload and coordinate your automatic DJ. So watch this video again, get used to the overall overview of the radio control panel. How do you log in, what the icons represent, how you check your statistics. In the next video, you'll be able to see how you can operate your auto DJ. So auto DJ is what really controls the radio that makes it to play 247. This first icon is for play, this one is for stop. So if you click on stop now, the radio is going to stop playing. Nothing is going to play on the radio, and then you will see that, remember I talked about these 3 icons, that 2 of them is showing red, so the radio is not on right now, and you will see saying the station is offline. So because why? The auto DJ is off. But if you want to put it on, you click on play, this particular play button. That is what makes the auto DJ to go on. You say auto DJ reactivated. When you click on return, you see that the 3 icons are being checked back, and then something is playing and it's showing you now play. So that is there, right, how the auto DJ works. I will show you once in the next video how you upload content, how you set up your playlist, and how you schedule your content to play. Once more, I am Benjamin Beckley of PowerCast host, and I appreciate your time. Watch the second video.